almost mid-year and the region still hasn't received a decent drop of rain. Farmers today getting some valuable advice on how to cope with the looming possibility of another drought.
Discussions on drought critical as the region braces for a dry spell.
Yeah, there's a bit of pressure rising in amongst the community that this is a dry season. We haven't had one for a little while.
A workshop organised by FarmLink and the Southern New South Wales Innovation Hub focused on dry weather preparation for those on the land. Farmers across cropping, mixed farming and grazing were encouraged to come to the session to understand the strategies and plans they can put in place to get through dry conditions.
It's very timely, this workshop now, and it's all about getting people to think and make some early decisions.
Sadly, not many already have that plan in place. So, that is one of the areas that we encourage people to put that plan in place. But of course, when times are good, it gets put on the back burner.
Understanding and managing the financial stress of dry weather, also a topic discussed during the day.
Whether people should feed, whether they should maybe take advantage of adjustment that are available in other parts of the state, or whether they should even consider selling while the markets are good. We can help those farmers.
Parts of southern New South Wales have already experienced a dry start to autumn, but those at the workshop say it's not time to panic, but time to get prepared.
So we just need to recalibrate and make some decisions now about what we can do in these dry starts.
Yes, we're in a dry break. We've seen them before. Some we've come out of really well, some we've come out of quite poorly. It all depends on what happens from here. So we just have to be have all the information at hand.
Jeremy Eager, 7 News.